Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial course. In this session, we will work with the union and union all operators. So the union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. For example, if the first select statement returns these 4 fish and the second select statement returns these 3 fish, then the union operator would return the result set of these two select statements. And if there is a record which is present in both the tables, we'll get only one of them in the final result. That is, there would be no duplicates in the final result. So here we see that this blue fish is present in both the tables A and B. But in the final result of A union B, we'll get only one of the value. And this is the syntax for the union operator. We'll give the first select statement. After that, we'll give the union operator. Following which, we'll give the second select statement. Now, you also need to keep in mind that the number and order of columns must be same in both the select queries. And we'll be implementing the union operator on these two tables. So we have the student details 1 table, which has the columns SID, SName and SMarks and has these 4 records. The other table is student details 2, which has the same columns and comprises of these 3 records. So let's go to SQL Server and work with the union operator. Right, so we have our two tables right in front of us. So let me start with the syntax. I'll get the first select query. Select start from, and then I'll give the name of the table, which is student details 1. After that, I'll give the union operator and then give the next select statement. Select start from, and then the name of the table is student details 2. I'll select all of this. I'll hit execute. So the union operator has given us the result set of both of the select statements. Then we have the union all operator. The union all operator gives all the rows from both the tables, including the duplicates as well. So here, since the blue fish is present in both the tables A and B, the final result of A union all B will also have the duplicate value. So now let me just add the all keyword over here. So I am using the union all operator between these two tables. Now I'll hit execute. So we see that we also have the duplicate values. So here, these records where Anne and Julia are present, these are from the first table. And again here, Anne and Julia, so these records are from the second table. So we have also got the duplicate records this time because we've used the union all operator. Now again, let me remove this all keyword, let me hit execute. So you see that there are no duplicates this time. So this is a difference between union and union all operators. So this is how we can work with the union and union all operators. Thanks for attending this session. Let's meet in the next class.